international community in terms, first of all, of funds for rebuilding after the floods in dollars? How much are you talking about or thinking about?
Well, thank you very much, but I don't think it's about cents and dollars. It's about the dire situation my countrymen are facing. 33 million people in Pakistan have been directly impacted, and 1,500 people have died, even more, including hundreds of children. But look, this is not our fault. This is a climate change induced disaster, and those who have the resources and God has given them the capacity should come forward and contribute towards our rescue, relief and rehabilitation efforts. That's very important.
There have been reports that you've been talking with Russia about importing 3 million tons of wheat.
There is no harm in that.
No, I'm just asking, are those talks still going on, and what other countries?
Not 3 million tons, but I think anything over 1 million ton, but we might as well have to import, additional tonnages of wheat, and that can come from Russia, which has large stocks of wheat, provided we have the right price and terms and conditions.
Would that include India?
Well, I think there is a legal bottleneck. Now, this is a different subject altogether. India is a neighbor, and Pakistan would very much like to live like a peaceful neighbor with India. Would like to reset our equation with India, because whether we like it or not, we are neighbors forever. But that has certain prerequisites. The burning issue of Kashmir is resolved through peaceful talks. We are able to discuss on talking table like peaceful neighbors with the sincerity of purpose. We will not be able to live in peace. And that is a great shame and embarrassment, because in this day and age, we need our resources to feed our people, to educate them, to provide job opportunities, to provide health opportunities. India can't afford to spend money on buying ammunition and defense equipment, nor can Pakistan.
At what point should the world consider recognizing the Taliban? And what's your advice to the United States about moving forward in Afghanistan?
This is a golden opportunity to ensure peace and progress in Afghanistan, for the prosperity of the people of Afghanistan, and simultaneously expecting that the interim government of Afghanistan will adhere to Doha Agreement and Latin spirit. They will provide equal opportunities to the people of Afghanistan, and for that the assets of Afghan people should be unfrozen. Why not? And the world should trust the people of Afghanistan that they will move in the right direction.
जब चाहें जो चाहें खाना हमेशा लाहौरी चिली से खाएं। लाहौरी चिली मेरा रेस्टोरेंट।
मेरा भी तो है।
मेरा भी तो है।
मेरा भी तो है।
मेरा भी तो है।
मेरा भी तो है। मेरा भी तो है। मेरा भी तो है।
हम सबका रेस्टोरेंट।